bands of quite thick and sometimes rain-bearing clouds are sweeping northwestwards across the country around a huge area of low pressure which is going to sit to the southwest of Britain for the next few days. Basically, it's low pressure down there and weather fronts, high pressure over the north and east. So it's the south and west that over the next few days is going to get most in the way of those showers, and some of those showers could be heavy and thundery at times. That's today's chart. Tomorrow's chart looks very much the same. The air still coming off the continent is still very warm indeed in many places and increasingly humid too. That's the chart for Tuesday. Very much the same, still low pressure and weather fronts in the south and west, still high pressure in the north, and a little bit of a change on Wednesday, rather more in the way of isobars, so a breezier day, at the same time clearer weather behind this very weak cold front coming down across central and northern parts of Scotland. Then low pressure breaks eastwards across England and Wales, keeping the showery weather going in the south particularly, but also in central areas on Thursday. But then a change does take place. Southwesterly winds spread up across Wales and southern England on Friday, bringing clearer, drier, brighter weather by that time, and probably fresher weather too. Let's have a look at the close-up. Quite a decent day down at the east coast there, just for a change. It's sunny at the moment in the south, but clouds will increase there during the afternoon. On the radar, some light bursts of rain in the west. Most places are going to have a dry and bright afternoon, a few patches of mist in the north and the east. Some showers will develop and move up into southern and western districts during the course of the afternoon and the evening, especially later on, and one or two could turn out quite heavy and thundery in places. One or two showers perhaps over the highlands as well, but most places in the north and east staying dry. Very warm too, away from that eastern coast. The eastern coast are pleasant and sunny, 17 Celsius this afternoon. Inland though, anywhere up to 22 degrees Celsius with fairly light east to southeasterly winds in most places. A very mild night tonight, we think. Some mist down the east coast, some outbreaks of rain getting into the south, and some outbreaks of showery rain in the west as well as we go through a very mild night indeed. Temperatures about 11 Celsius in most places. Tomorrow, some sunshine certainly, best in the north and east once again. A few patches of mist near the coast, but again heavy and possibly thundery showers developing mainly in the west and the south during the course of another very warm day. As high again in the south as 22, not just as warm in the north, 17 degrees Celsius. Shetland, by the way, brightening up later on today. It's rather dismal up there just at the moment. Wednesday, a windier day in those central districts, but brighter weather spreading down across central and northern parts of Scotland. Again, those heavy and thundery showers in the south and the west. And Thursday, outbreaks of rain anywhere over central and southern Britain. Still quite warm, but quite dry and bright up in the north. And then a change taking place on Friday, brighter weather with just a few showers, fresher weather too getting across Wales and southern parts of England, but outbreaks of rain in central and northern districts, and still staying rather cloudy and misty near that east